Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened today and what is expected from the market tomorrow. So we'll see the chart for Nifty first, and then let's proceed for that. So what we said is above this 121, 123, if gap up and above, we can say buy, but market never tried that one and it opened a flat. I mean that gap down also did not happen. Just made a kind of a small gap up, and then we said that if the first swing breaks, we can go for buy, and it did that thing here around 21,923. It broke the swing and closed it above, so we went for it, and then immediately it came and hit us. So that was the trade today. And actually you probably what you could have done is, if we had ignored this first candle, probably it would have worked out better. And then we had drawn this channel also yesterday. On breaking this channel, the second entry was here, and immediately give a target for that one, right? So it is like this channel was expected, but it was so sideways that it gave very late entry and gave a target after that. Actually, it is around 2:05 gave an entry, and by 3 o'clock it gave the target. What can we expect from the market tomorrow is very simple. Like gap up above only 21965 is only we have a long side. Otherwise, any gap up we'll see on rejection we go for short, and we can expect 100 points quickly coming down. Either the rejection can happen near the trend line or near this uh, today's high. So these are the two rejection we can see if there is a gap up scenario and rejection. Then we can go for short and we can expand 100 points. If it is flat, and then if it closes below today's low, and the immediate target is 21,645. This is a target we have it if it is flat. In case of market gap down, wait for a bounce and then rejection, so that we can after the reversal we can go for entry, and then we can expect 100 points coming down. So it's pretty simple. If it is gap up above this line, we can expect long. Anywhere below this one is going to be short only. If we are looking for shorting only tomorrow, either near this today's high or this trend line, we can go for on rejection. We can see that market coming down, and if there is a flat closing today's low, we can expect 100 points or 21,648. We can expect 46. We can expect the target, and if there is a gap down near that target itself, we will look for bounce and then reversal, so that can go for a short again. Another 100 point coming down. This is simple. We keep it for Nifty. We will not complicate further. Bank Nifty is looks like this is what we said that the market, this was a target where like it immediately came and hit the target at the first point, first 5 minutes itself, and then we on rejection or on bounce, we said near this trend line we can expect entry, and market gave but did not give go for anything. It remained sideways, and then market closed there only. So tomorrow, what we can expect is very simple. So market, if it is about 46,051, 50 above this one, we can look for long, and target is 275 points. And if flat or gap down below today's low, for which is 45,630, if market comes down and closes below, we can expect target coming to 4570 actually. So it's like you can expect 275 points coming down in this case. So these are the two trades. This above this one we can go for long, below this today's low we can go for short. These are the two trades we have it for Bank Nifty. Reliance also like very simple, so we'll look for only short entry tomorrow. If market any bounce here, so we wait for rejection to go for short. We can expect 20 points. If it is flat closing today's low, we can expect market coming to 2838. And if it is a gap down, wait for bounce and then reversal, so that we can go for short. So these are three trades like a Nifty here. So Nifty we have three trades. Bank Nifty we have two setups, and then Reliance we have three setups. So we have to see where the market opens. Based on that, we can choose the scenario and then go for the trades accordingly. So hope you kind of understood the analysis and then able to trade trades what you're talking about daily, and then you can You can like this video and then subscribe this channel if you are not done so, and encourage your friends to join this channel. Thanks for watching this video.